Hi guys, how to create a resume in Microsoft Word. Open the Microsoft Word program and click on New. From the template menu, select the resumes and cover letters. Now it's searching for the templates. You can see that there are a lot of templates for the resumes or CVs, and you can select any template according to your desire. You can scroll down, there are a lot of templates available here. These are the free templates and you can select any of them. Now I am going to select one of them. This is a hospitality management resume. It seems a good template, so it's a very simple design and compact design. So I'm going to create a resume based on this template. You can see that the description of the resume is given on the right side. You can read and check whether it suits you or not. Click on the create and the resume template will be downloaded, and you can now add it in the Microsoft Word as per your requirements. So here our first requirement will be to change the picture, name and the other description in the resume. Now I'm going to change the picture, so I will click on the picture format tab and click on change picture. If my picture is available on the device, I will click on this device and browse for my picture. You can see that picture has been changed, so I will adjust it little bit to suit as per my picture, and then I will type my name here. Next is the resume summary. You can type it if you can type on your own. I am going to tell you a simple method. If you can't type it, then go to the browser window and type resume summary. For you can type your profession, like I am going to create a resume for software developer, then I will type software developer. So here you can find out many resume summaries. You can browse on different links, so I am going to click a random link. You have to do a little bit research over here to find out a best summary that suits your requirements. The best way is to type your resume summary yourself. But if it is not possible, then you can try this method. Here we are looking for, there are a lot of summaries for different professions, so I am going to click on the software engineer. Here on the number 11, you can see that there is a summary for general summary for software engineer. So I'm going to copy it from and I will paste it in my profile. I have to make little bit changes to tailor it according to my needs. Now my profile summary is complete. Now I'm going to update the contact information. You have to enter your phone number, add your LinkedIn profile, email address, now there is activities and interest. You can type your activities and your interest here, so the employers can know about you. Then comes the work experience. So in the previous jobs you have some experience, you have to type it one by one. If you have been in the multiple jobs, type the job title at the top, then the tenure of the job, and a little bit description of your work at that place. Type all the experiences of the previous jobs here. It's very important that your employer should know about your experience, that what type of work you have done in the past. So I am just typing some of the experiences. This is actually the dummy text. I'm going to fill about now. You can type your education, type the university or school name here, and the duration, and the title of your degree. You can add GPA etc. here if you want to add, or you have some specific qualification you can also add in the education tab. Then is the key skills and characteristics. You can type your key skills, like you have some office skills, administration skills, or specific skills like in the software development. I am going to type some skills related to my profession. You can type accordingly to your profession. So in a very short time we have completed the creation of our resume. You can see that it is a very simple design of the CV or resume, and it's looking very beautiful. Now we can print this resume, and you can see the print preview of the resume. This is a single page resume, and it's very simple and compact. So I have no printer, so I'm going to save this to a PDF. I will enter the file name and save as type PDF. So my resume will be saved as PDF. Now I can take this PDF to anywhere to get a print copy of this resume. Here is my resume. This is the PDF format of my resume. Here in the full screen you can see that it's looking a very good design. I think it depends on your requirement that you might select a different design, or you might enter some work experiences or the education in a different way. You can change it, you can change the colors, or you can change the font size or the font type,